it's me, Jackson, and you could probably tell by the thumbnail of this video, today I'm going to be making a double-sided Nerf gun. So, for this tutorial, this is also a vlog, for this tutorial, you're going to need, and sorry about my really messy room, you're going to need 2 of these Elite Fire Strikes. I've got this one, and this one is spray painted. You're going to need 2 popsicle sticks, a bag of rubber bands, and some fairly cheap tape. So let's get straight to it. Okay, step 1. So what you're going to do for the first step is, sorry about the Legos, I just crushed into some Legos. You're going to take some of your tape, about that much, and then you're going to split that in half. And then you're going to find your popsicle stick, and you're going to line up your guns like this and place the popsicle stick just reasonably in the middle. So line it up where you think it's good. Then you're going to take a piece of tape and just tape it to one blaster, like that. And then so, as you can see, it's just a popsicle stick taped on the end, and if I grab it, it won't be too uncomfortable. You're going to take your other piece of tape and you're just going to kind of reinforce it around the back. Step 2 is you're going to do the same thing to the other side. So take your tape, split it in half, right there. Then you're going to take your popsicle stick, and when I say put it on the other side, it's going to be on the other side of this Nerf gun. So you want to line it up evenly, about where the other stick is. Where the other stick is. And then right there. And then place your tape over it. And then once just one piece of tape is on it, you can kind of like fiddle with it and move these around. And just line them up so they look in the right spot. And still, when you grab this, it shouldn't feel too uncomfortable. You know, I can still easily... It's just got 2 pieces on the back. Now take your last piece of tape and reinforce it once again. And another thing I just want to say is, see this little piece down here? That activates the laser. You don't want the tape too close to that. So see where I have it? You don't want it to, if it goes over it, then that is bad. And you won't be able to click that thing anymore. So the next step is to grab 4 reasonably sized rubber bands. It might be 2, but what you're going to do is you're going to double wrap it, so as you can see it's wrapped twice, and you're going to pop it over the handle of this Nerf gun, like that, and like that. And if I said 4, like you need 4 rubber bands, I meant to say 2. So you're just going to pop your second one over the handle, and make sure you can easily get them. Like, easily tell them apart which rubber band is which. Like that. And now for the next step. So the next step is pretty tricky. But what you're going to do is you're going to take your popsicle stick gun. And you're going to just slip the popsicle sticks under the rubber band. You're going to do that on that side. And do the same on the other side. Make sure you keep them aligned. And then you're kind of just going to slide up the gun so it looks like that. Now, one rubber band is going to go like that. Now see how it is? It's from this corner to this corner, and the other rubber band is going to just go right around the center of both blasters, like that. So now, you could probably shake it and it won't fall apart. It's pretty good. So the next step is to take your tape again, tear off your 2 pieces like that, and just do the same thing to this popsicle stick, like that. And then you're going to do the same thing again for the popsicle stick on the other side. Like that. So now you should be able to hold this gun and then switch it and hold this gun, and it should feel pretty comfortable on both sides. Now that should be just a little shaky like that, but if you shake it like that, it won't fall off. And now for the final step. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take your tape roll, you're going to put off a little bit, and then you're just going to slowly do one final last wrap around the whole handle of the Nerf gun. And make sure you cover up all of the handle to make it more strong. And then, there you go. So, when you look at it, just the top of the popsicle sticks should be showing. And you should be able to maneuver it in that this won't twist at all. And it should be pretty sturdy and nice. So a word of warning about this is when you have it like this, don't pre-prime your blasters because you might accidentally go like that and shoot your arm, or you could have this under you like that, and if you shot, you'd shoot someone behind you. So just keep that in mind. So whenever I'm using my gun, I'll prime it, then I'll shoot until I'm out of ammo. Then I'll switch it, prime it, shoot, instead of going pre-priming both blasters, shoot, prime, shoot like that, because you could accidentally just shoot your shoulder or the person behind you. So this first of all looks pretty awesome, and it's nice because it is pretty comfortable, and like I feel like the butts of the guns were like just made to go together. So you can, do cool tricks with it, then flip it, and it isn't very good for holstering, but if you did get a sling mount on the end of these guns, make it really loose, you could wrap it around on your back. And this, it kind of actually acts like a stock if you want to go like that and put a scope up here, because I know like if you put a scope right up here, scopes on pistols aren't really practical. Like most pistols just have iron sights, but now this can kind of act as a stock where it is, and you could actually use a scope there pretty well. So it's actually pretty sturdy. Like if I drop it, that was really loud, but as you can see, it's still perfectly steady. And one problem I have found is that the little lasers on the fronts of these, as you can see right there, if you want to replace the batteries on one of those, you have to put the batteries in the bottom of the thing. So you got to take the whole thing apart if you want to replace the batteries for the laser. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And so thank you very much for watching. As always, like,